My parents are farmers, so I love growing trees very much. My childhood was surrounded with vast rice fields and big garden of my family. Look at these beautiful flowers in my garden. Wow, that's my parents, not mine. When I grew up and got married, I only have a small garden on my apartment balcony. No matter how big or small my garden is, I still love growing trees. These small plants were planted 3 years ago for decoration and making my apartment greener. Having experienced the prolonged social distancing period, I think those decorative plants better be replaced by vegetables. In particular, when we cannot go out to buy food, a garden of full vegetables will make us more comfortable and temporarily provide greens for our family. These pots are emptied and now ready for growing new vegetables. Look at the roses, are they beautiful? My husband has bought these seeds from the supermarket. Huh? It flies away. Wow, I'll take the seeds randomly. It's raining heavily, a good day for gardening. The small sprouts can be seen on the third day. These are mustard greens. Can you guess what it is? It's butterfly pea. The mustard greens are growing so slowly. They look like the same as yesterday. Oops, what is it? Hello, the yellow leaf. After 2 weeks, the mustard greens are still very small, but I still love them. The butterfly pea is growing so fast. And this is eggplant. It seems that the mustard greens are not taller anymore. But I won't fertilize them, so they are still small. And these onions were grown 10 days ago. Look at the lettuce. It's growing so well. After 1.5 months, I can have something to eat. The mustard greens need more than just water. I think they stay the same after the 3rd week. Butterfly pea, however, is growing very well. And this is jackfruit. Huh? Onion is also good, and the eggplant is growing very well too. Watermelon? Oops, another jackfruit. Oh, I love the lettuce. It can be served now. This is my garden after 2 months. The first butterfly pea flower is blooming now. And this is the butterfly pea after 3 months. Surprisingly, There are so many flowers. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and see you next time.
Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.